Guys, so I wanted to take you through how to create a party so you can share a party link or what we call shopping links with your customers and with your hostesses. So you start off at 31today.com and then you move to virtual office. This is the virtual office. And then from here, you're going to hit parties. And then you can hit the new party, or if you already have a party open, you can click one of these. I'm going to go to Tiffany's. You haven't created a party. I'm assuming you probably have, so I'm not going to walk you through that. If you need help with that, let me know. Okay, so here is a party link right here. So you're going to copy that. And then you can paste it to your hostess, or post it in the Facebook event, or text it, however you want to do it. Another tip would be to add a photo with it. Let me see if I can figure out how to do this through Facebook. Yes, okay, so I go here. So let's say I want to, let's pretend this is an event, okay? So I'm going to paste it here. And then I'm going to add a photo, because if you add a photo, it's not going to show that object moved. Sometimes it's going to say that object moved, which is a pain. So I'm going to go, and I'm just going to go to find another graphic. By the way, this is a big tip for you. If you want to keep things organized, this definitely helps. So I'm going to pick an inspirational quote. This is where the fun stuff happens. And then there you go. So you will have this and then that, hit post, and it should work. Now, one of the other things I always do is I will go to my browser and copy and paste to make sure the link works. So again, here we go. Putting that link in, it should say Shopping Tiffany's Party. Welcome, you're shopping for the event Tiffany's Outlet Party. View event details. Okay, so the link works and you know you're good to go.